Hi there. In this video, we'll show you how to upload a backup to your WordPress site using FTP or SFTP, a useful method when your backup file is too large to upload through the dashboard. Let's get started. To begin, open an FTP client like FileZilla. Then enter your FTP or SFTP credentials to connect to your server. These typically include your host, usually your domain name or server IP address, username, password, and port number, commonly port 21 for FTP or 22 for SFTP. Once entered, click Quick Connect to access your website's files. Once connected, navigate to your site's root directory, where you'll be able to access all your website's files and folders. Next, open the WP Content folder, then go to the Uploads folder. Inside it, click on the WP Staging folder, and finally, open the Backups folder. Now, find your backup file on your computer, then drag and drop it into the Backups folder. The upload will begin, just wait for it to complete. Once the backup is uploaded, log into your site's dashboard and go to the WP Staging tab. Then click on the Backup and Migration section. You should now see your uploaded backup listed and ready to use. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.